Can TikTok Shop connect to Shopify? Yes, TikTok Shop can connect to Shopify through official integrations that make selling and managing your products easier across both platforms. This connection allows you to sync your Shopify store's products directly to TikTok Shop, enabling you to promote and sell them through TikTok videos, live streams, and the in-app shop tab. It's a seamless way to reach millions of TikTok users while still managing everything from your Shopify dashboard. When you integrate Shopify with TikTok Shop, your product inventory, pricing, and order details automatically sync between both platforms. This means any updates you make in Shopify are reflected instantly in TikTok Shop, reducing manual work and errors. It also enables you to run TikTok ads directly linked to your product listings, helping boost visibility and conversions. Many e-commerce brands use this integration to expand their audience and streamline operations. By combining Shopify's robust store management tools with TikTok's massive reach and engagement, sellers can increase traffic, improve sales performance, and build a stronger brand presence. The partnership between the two platforms is designed to help sellers grow efficiently while keeping all systems connected. You can try Helium 10 for free today by clicking the link in our description. It instantly gives you access to the best tools to optimize and grow your TikTok Shop business effortlessly.